Ever wished you could create your own anime scene just by typing a sentence? Well, that's exactly what this new AI tool claims to do. It's called Boba Video, and it's been blowing up online for how quickly it turns text into anime-style animations. So today, I'm putting it to the test to see if it really lives up to the hype, or if it's just another overpromised AI tool. So, Boba Video is an AI-powered anime generator that can take a text prompt, or even an image, and instantly turn it into a short animated scene. Think of it like an AI anime studio in your browser. No timeline editing, no keyframes, no animation skills required. Just describe your idea and it starts animating. You could type something like a lone warrior standing under glowing lanterns in a cyberpunk Tokyo street, and within seconds, Boba turns that into a stylized anime clip, complete with lighting, movement, and even character lip sync. Alright, let's jump in. Once you go to the Boba Video website, click Get Started. You can sign in directly with Google, no emails, no setup, and you'll land on what they call the Boba Anime Studio. Here's the layout. On the left, you'll find tabs for community, video effects, and characters. The center is where the real magic happens. A big prompt box with options to upload an image or select a character. And at the bottom, you've got the main generation controls, where you write your scene description and adjust things like aspect ratio, effects, and even toggle fun modes like Super Saiyan. Once you hit generate, Boba starts building your animation. Depending on your internet and the complexity of your prompt, a clip usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes to render. Alright, let's test it. For my first prompt, I'll type a samurai walking through falling cherry blossoms, drawing his sword in slow motion. Wait a few seconds, and there it is. The clip looks surprisingly polished. Smooth motion, consistent lighting, and that anime-styled color palette. Next, I tried something a bit different. A futuristic robot girl looking out at a neon skyline. The result? A clean cyberpunk vibe with proper camera depth, which most AI video tools struggle with. Now here's where Boba stands out. 1. Anime-only focus. Instead of trying to cover every style like runway or pika, Boba specializes in anime aesthetics. That focus pays off visually. The art style is consistent and on point. 2. Built-in lip sync and voice. You can add dialogue or voiceovers directly, and it syncs mouth movement automatically. That's something most AI generators still can't do properly. 3. Speed. Each clip takes just minutes to generate. Perfect for testing concepts or making short creative content for YouTube or TikTok. 4. Community gallery. You can browse what others have made, remix ideas, or use their prompts for inspiration. Some users are already creating mini anime shorts and music videos. Now, it's not perfect. The resolution is capped at 720p for now.
Clips are short, around 5 to 8 seconds, so you'll have to stitch multiple clips if you want full scenes. And of course, advanced motion sequences or complex fight choreography can look a bit stiff. Also, some premium features require credits, which can add up if you're making lots of videos. But for an entirely browser-based AI animation tool, it's genuinely impressive. So, after testing it out, here's my take. Boba Video isn't going to replace pro animation studios just yet, but it's definitely one of the most exciting creative tools for indie creators, YouTubers, and storytellers who love anime. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and surprisingly powerful for something that lives in your browser. If you want to try Boba for yourself, head over to their official site and start experimenting. It only takes a few clicks to make your first anime scene. And if you want me to make a full, short anime episode using just AI tools, drop a comment below and let me know what theme I should use next. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, because I've got more AI tool tests coming up that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.